What's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you this Toro Proline walk behind mower I picked up. I picked it up used from somebody, paid 400 bucks for it. I'm going to show you some of the things I did just to make sure it's in good operating condition and some things I addressed. Let me show you. A little bit of damage here on the deck. I'm going to try to cut a piece of steel plate out, bend it, and weld it very carefully to the bottom side of this. Grind all this down and fill all this with some type of high quality Bondo or something, and then repaint it. One of these tires keeps losing air. I believe it's this one. Slow leak. I replaced all 3 blades. Got these 3 new blades off Amazon. I forget what they're called, but they're green. Each one's 18 inches long. This is the 52-inch wide walk behind mower. Mulching blades. So one of the first things I did was I replaced the fuel filter after I disconnected the fuel line. I think I took it off right there. Drained out whatever old gas was in there. I only run non-ethanol in all these mowers and string trimmers and edgers and stuff. I just stick with non-ethanol. Replaced the PTO switch. The guy I bought it from said there was some issue with it where it would engage but it wouldn't turn off. And when he was showing me that, I think he was still holding this in, which presses this switch. It won't disengage until you let this go. But I bought a new switch anyways, and I cleaned out all the connections to the switch. All this electrical stuff in there, I took the plug off. It was super dirty. I don't think it was even plugged in all the way. Blow it out with an air compressor, sprayed some electrical contact cleaner in there, and it works great. One of the first things I did was an oil change. Drained all the oil out. It's kind of tricky because you got the pulley right underneath and not much room to work. I took a little funnel with a garden hose piece attached to it, drained it into a old oil jug right on the side here. Had it going like that. New oil filter, and filled it with new oil. These sulky wheels kept going flat. I bought some flat free ones off of Amazon, which I'm going to return. I don't recommend this particular one because what you need for this Jungle Gym sulky is a bearing with a 3/4 inch bore. This one came with extra bearings to replace, but the ones installed with them were 5/8, and when I was trying to get these out, they just exploded. And I got one out, tried to put a new one in, and that exploded. So if you're going to get these flat free tires, highly recommend you get them already with the bearing size you need installed. So being that those didn't work, I went ahead and bought 2 new inner tubes for these, and they've been holding up ever since. It's only been 2 days, but I've used it all day yesterday and it's still got air in it. These are the old inner tubes. Both were leaking from the valve stems right here, right at the bottom. Only 10 bucks for 2 new ones. Not too bad. And I replaced the air filter. The one that was in there before didn't look too bad. But I put in new everything else I could, so why not? am going to be doing some more fixes, upgrades, maintenance of this, which I'm going to film for a different video. I'm going to film the process of me trying to Frankenstein fix this thing. And then a buddy of mine gave me this mower. This is a same model, Proline 44-inch. It was left outside for a few years, but I think this tire still has air in it. So I'm going to switch one of these tires that's good with my bad tire on there. And then any other parts that are good. You know, the deck is still good. The deck is solid on this, the 44, but I don't think I can put it on the 52. At least not without modification. Otherwise I would. So I got some extra stuff here if I need it, but I'll keep you guys with me as I work on this mower. Thanks for watching.